Many students miss this question because they apply the wrong theorem. Let's solve it step by step and get the correct answer. The diagram is a circle with center O. This is our center O. P, R, S, T are points on the circle. P, R, S, T are points on the circle. Find the value of angle PRS. Angle PRS. There are two key circle theorems we will use. 1. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. 2. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So let us begin. Our angle POS, which is the angle at the center of the circle, stand on arc PS. Also, angle PRS stand on the same arc PX. And according to angle at the center theorem, which states that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. And this case, the angle POS and angle PRS, they were standing on the same arc PX. So mathematically, we can say that 2 multiplied by angle PRS equal to angle POS. And our angle POS is 8x degree. So let us substitute it into this equation. 2 multiplied by angle PRS equal to 8x. Let us divide both sides by 2. So 2 times angle PRS over 2 equal to 8x over 2. This cancels this. Angle PRS equal to 2x over 2 will give us 4x. Angle PRX and angle PTS are opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. And in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. We can say angle PRS plus angle PTS equal to 180 degrees. And angle PRS is 4x and angle PTS is x. So let us substitute the value into this equation. 4x plus x equal to 180 degrees. 4x plus x will give us 5x. 5x equal to 180 degrees. 4x plus x will give us 5x equal to 180 degrees. Let us divide both sides by 5. 5x divided by 5 equal to 180 degrees divided by 5. 5x divided by 5 will give us x equal to, and 180 degrees divided by 5 will give us 36 degrees. We have already calculated our angle PRX to be equal to 4x, and the value of x is equal to 36 degrees. So let us substitute 36 degrees into this equation. Angle PRX equal to 4 times 36 degree. Angle PRS equal to 4 times 36 degree will give us 144 degree. 144 degree. If this explanation helped you, like the video, subscribe to Teacher B, and drop your answer in the comments before watching the solution next time. Thank you.